This is a demo for the eInvoicing application. Again, you'll notice that the application itself resides within the frame of the Small Business Workbench, and you can always navigate back to the cash forecast, dashboard, or other applications. When you are ready to create a new invoice, you select your customer, the date that you'll be sending out the invoice, which defaults to today's date, the invoice number, which will be auto-generated, and you can add a PO number from your buyer if they've provided one. Additionally, you can choose your terms of net 10 through net 60. When you are ready, you need to add your first line item number. You can enter in the information, putting in the unit cost, and the quantity that will be sold. Once you are finished with your invoice, you can either send it to the client, save it, or preview the PDF. In this case, sending the e-invoice, we'll send an email with the attached PDF to the customer email on file. Once you have sent the email, you will notice that the invoice appears in the Invoice Manager in an unpaid state. Adding the Pay Now functionality will allow the buyer to pay for the goods by clicking on the Pay Now button and using either a credit card or an ACH to complete the transaction. With multiple invoices, you always have the option to sort each column in an ascending or descending order, and additionally, you can perform a wildcard search, search by date range, amounts, or the status of the invoice. And this concludes our demo for the eInvoicing application.